All right, so I see that Dr. Debbie has brought a little down there.
Now take this hand mirror and I want you to go look at yourself and study yourself, because it's just another part of your body that needs to be healthy, just like your eyes and your nose and your ears and your mouth and everything else.
And
we need to know what we're seeing.
And this is what I brought with me. This is the Wondrous Vulva Puppet. Really have velvet and satin and little flowers down there.
I'm so happy that you have this, because it makes it cute and sweet.
And that
scary. My mother asked me, had I ever seen myself down there? And I did that. So I want you to do that tonight. Okay.